Imagine your teacher shows you a chart of class scores. Can you spot who passed? Today we learn how to read charts, tables, and graphs like a detective. Statistical data is information shown as numbers. We display it using tables, bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs. Each one tells a story about the numbers. Bar charts compare quantities. Line graphs show change over time. Pie charts show parts of a whole. Tables give us exact values. Choose the right tool for the job. How do we collect data? Use observation to count cars passing. Use questionnaires to ask people their favorite food. The best method depends on what you want to know. Here is fruit sold at Makolo Market. Look at the bars carefully. Question 1. Which fruit sold the most? We need to find the tallest bar. The bananas bar is the tallest, reaching 35. So bananas sold the most. Always read the y-axis carefully to get the exact value. Now a pie chart of favorite sports. If the class has 40 students, how many love football? Football takes 50% of the pie. %50 of 40 equals 50 over 100 times 40. That gives us 20 students. So 20 learners love football the most. Many students get this wrong. They forget to check the scale on the axis. A bar may look tall, but if the scale jumps, the value is different. Always read the numbers. Remember TLAS, title, labels, axes, scale. Check these 4 things before answering any chart question. TLAS keeps you sharp like a market trader counting coins. Great work today. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more clear lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to keep learning. See you in the next video.